Hi, what we're going to go over today is grading discussion boards with a rubric. And I think the purpose of this is going to make your lives a lot easier as an instructor and also answer a lot of questions for students as far as how you came about to get their grade. So what we've done is we've created a revised discussion board rubric. And since most discussion boards are out of 5 points, that's what we've done. And you and the students have access to a Word document of this rubric by going to Syllabus and Documents. Then scroll down. Every course should have a Course Rubrics and Grading Criteria folder. And within there, you should find the discussion board rubric. So this is a Word document of that rubric. And I've also created it as a usable rubric within the Grade Center, and that's what I want to show you today. So if you go to the full Grade Center like you would, you'll see I went in, I became a test student, and I made a discussion board post, so it needs to be graded. So I'm going to click Grade User Activity. And from here, there's a couple different ways you can do it. So if this is the way you normally do it, you'll see Edit Grade, View Rubric, that kind of thing. So if I go to Edit Grade, it's out of 5. And if I want to use the actual rubric to grade it, I'm going to click here. It says View Rubric in Window. Put this down a bit. And you'll notice that the rubric is in here, plus there's little buttons you can check. So become familiar with this rubric. The first part of this rubric, it goes over the actual content in their initial discussion board posts, and you can give them a 2 for exemplary, a 1 for proficient, a 0 for incomplete, and then make sure you read these statements to make sure what you're clicking goes with what you actually should give them. So I'm going to give this person a 2 for that. And if I would like to add more feedback, I can type it in here, which is wonderful. So you kind of get the best of both worlds. The next section is quality of their initial writing, where this is where the grammar comes into play. So they had a few mistakes, so I'm going to give them a 0.5. And quality in responding to their peers, since most discussion boards have you responding to at least 2 peers. They did a good job. We'll give them a 1. And then the last part is their timeliness. Since all of your directions say your initial post has to be done by Wednesday, follow up to 2 of your peers by Sunday. So here is where this would come into play. And they did that as well. Okay. So right now this person has a 4.5 out of 5. If you want to leave general feedback here, if not, click Save. And now it will show the grade here. Anything else you want to add, grading notes or feedback here. And once this is in the grade book, the student as well should be able to see that rubric so they know how you came about to getting that grade. So hopefully this will make your lives easier. The students will have more information as how you got to that grade. And if you have any questions, please contact me. Thank you.